there, and I happened to be one of the kids that was there, and I was just listening. I was just trying to soak everything up I could. You know, and I remember one thing that he said. He was like, if you want to try to be, you know, great at it or want to be one of the greats, you got to put the work in. You know, there's no substitution to work.
I decided to skip college and take my talent to the NBA.
Well, he certainly did that in 2000 alongside the likes of Shaquille O'Neal. Kobe led the Lakers to their first championship in 12 years, and it was the first of 3 in a row.
I must be strong.
Well, after that, individual accolades followed, including this legendary 81-point game against the Toronto Raptors in 2006. He switched jersey numbers from 8 to 24 and picked up the NBA's MVP award after leading the Lakers to the 2008 finals. He was a fan's favourite with some big-name supporters, including Jordan and Jack Nicholson.
Would you hold my hand? Give my soul you heaven. Would you help me stay?
When he was part of an All-Star USA team that won gold medals at the 2008 Olympics and the 2012 London Games, and Bryant's career was dogged by injuries. He led the Lakers to the ultimate championship in 2010, 5 in total. His career was one of the most impressive records in history.
Kobe Bryant, one of the greatest players to play the game.
Once upon a time, there was a young basketball player who had dreams of becoming one of the greatest basketball players of all time.
My name is Kobe Bryant. I'm 17 years old with the hunger, the motivation, and the desire to be the best possible basketball player that I could be.
He worked day and night, every day, for years and years and years and years and years. And as time went on, 20 years had passed, and he felt that he had accomplished all that he set out to accomplish. But what he come to realize is that the goal that he set out initially of becoming the greatest of all time was a very fickle one. And what he realized that the most important thing in life is how your career moves and touches those around you, and how it carries forward to the next generation. But he realized that's what makes true greatness. Well, the story would be about transformation of a kid looking inwardly to then growing up and understanding the importance and the power is looking outward.
It's a great feeling to know that you set a goal for yourself and you were able to reach that goal and to knock it down.
If I had the power to turn back time, I would never use it. I don't think about it. Because then every moment that you go through means absolutely nothing, but you can always go back and do it again. So it loses its flavor, it loses its beauty. When things are final, you know, moments won't ever come again. To be able to have the power to go back and re-experience those things it's silly to me.
When you take that jersey off for the final time, how do you think you're going to feel?
Very at peace with it, and I'm very thankful, you know, for the 20 years that I've had, and ready to go.